So this here is hard chicken. All right, I seasoned this overnight with my favorite seasoning. That is the ground ginger, the badia complete seasoning, and the adobo all purpose. All right. Okay, so one thing is, I'm not gonna cook this before frying them. I mean, you can choose to if you want to. This is hard chicken. This is very lean. This is very tiny pieces of chicken right here. I don't see the point in cooking them before frying them. I can fry them straight away because I already have this marinated overnight, so it's okay. But you can also go ahead and cook them before frying them. That's fine. And I have my shrimps here, also marinated in the same seasoning. I mean, the same seasoning as I did with the hard chicken. Once it's done, and you can tell that when it's golden brown, I'm just gonna set it aside and proceed to the next step. Going down, baby, going down. Y'all see that? This is perfection right there. Normally, you just want to skim the oil that you use in frying the chicken and just go ahead with the next step. But for some reason, I decided to change it today. So you can just go ahead and just skim your oil and just go proceed to the next step. So at this stage, we're gonna go in with our onions. If you follow this channel, you will know I love onions. Yep, I love onions. There ain't nothing wrong with that. And then here comes your shrimps. Matter of fact, I almost forgot that I got shrimps too. So I got me here some eggs. The number of eggs depends on what you want. So some people will like to scramble it on the side or scramble it before adding the vegetables and whatever. I mean, just whatever works with you. You know what time it is?
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty. You act like the bad guy. You want some love, you like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me. You got.
And here comes your bell peppers. And then, as always, you're gonna give it a gentle stir. Popping up, popping up. You'd wanna come in with a little bit of salt. And we're gonna come in with a cooked rice. All you gotta do is to mix properly, mix well. Make sure everything is well incorporated. That's all you gotta do.
Me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby. I was hoping maybe that you crossed my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you.
Toss in some soy sauce. And then this is cabbage. I mean, you can use any any vegetable of your choice, whatever floats your boat. You got it. See how sticky it is? This is the consistency that you want. Man, so good, trust me, so good. Sticky fried rice. Just look at that. Look at how sticky that is. This is just what you want. Trust me, once you go sticky, you will not go back. Finally, we're gonna throw in our chicken. I mean, you can decide to put it on the side, but just for the beauty of it, I just want to add it.
Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances, empty-handed? I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars?
Just look at that. So let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section. All you need is some sticky rice, you know, like rice that has a little bit of moisture in it, like a little more water in it, and you're good to go.